Let me guess, you are sick and tired of spending money on marketing that doesn't work. And your leadership team has challenged you to get a measurable return on their marketing investment. Or else. You need the grade 8 pillars of ROI-driven marketing. You need results. And by results, we mean cold hard cash, revenues, new sales, and you need to be able to prove that what you're doing is working. You deserve the revenue you're striving for, the feeling of knowing what you do matters. We understand your need for a proven framework that gets a 10x return on marketing investment, guaranteed. It's called the grade 8 pillars of ROI-driven marketing. With over 20 years of experience delivering ROI-driven marketing solutions, we've tried, tested, measured, and collected data on hundreds of clients to determine exactly what works and what doesn't. What we found is that ROI-driven marketing is dependent on the successful implementation of just 8 core categories. We call them pillars. These pillars are your marketing team structure, your value proposition, messaging and branding, your marketing strategy, your website, your goals, KPIs and industry benchmarks, analytics and reporting, your technology stack, and the templates and guides you use. And when you are properly executing on these pillars, your chances of getting an ROI in marketing is significantly increased. So we define the gold standards within each pillar, resulting in over 140 best practices, standard operating procedures, and industry benchmarks. With the grade 8 pillar framework, 95% of our clients have met or exceeded agreed to ROI goals. These goals often deliver a 3x, 10x, and even a 20+x return on investment. So become the revenue-driving marketing superhero at your company and start delivering real results. To get started, give us a call, email us, or click the link below to schedule a consultation.